kunesizathu mhlambe nembangela why are you saying anginabazali? What happened to your parents?
Both of them passed away. Yeah, but umuntu ebashona kuqala was umama. Yeah.
Do you mind sharing what happened? How did you pass on?
Umama was murdered by my father. Ubaba athatha umese. Makathatha umese akwazi umama la entameni, then enye ibela ibeleni, and then umama uphelelwa amandla makajika amgwaze ngapha emqolo, and then ahlale phansi umama, ubaba yekamereni abuye nentambo. There was itin leli lakudala leli le paraffin.
Yeah.
Abuye nalo ubaba, abuye nentambo, abuye nalelo tin lelo, amfasele esitulweni, amthele ngaleyo paraffin, amshise.
Hey man. You. How old were you?
I was 3 years old.
Do you still remember anything when on that day?
I remember everything that happened that day. I cannot forget everything. I used to be triggered by izinto ezincane, like umuntu maka like to menchise phambi kwami bezobuya le nto leya, and that's when I started developing epilepsy.
Umlilo uyavutha, and then kwenzakaleni ke from lapho?
And then ubaba waphuma ngewindow wahamba washiya mina nomama ngaphakathi, and then ubona ngomlilo, and then umama amemeze athi Soli khipha untokozo endlini, and then lo baba lona vela yenze kanjalo, then umama yena waphuma asha cause bekasha. She was trying to ukuthi asicime, then yeah bangikhipha bangibeka laphayana, then bafonela amaphoyisa.
Did he own up lo muntu? Ngiyazi ukuthi bathi mele kuze military police azoboshwa nani. Did he show some remorse? Did he hand himself over eventually, or wagcina aboshiwe uke waboshwa yini?
Akaboshwanga. Uye bahlala 3 days emaselini, and then waphuma. Back then he didn't have remorse. Back then he was not remorseful. He didn't show remorse because after doing this incident uye bafonela ugogo. Watshela ugogo ukuthi inja yakho uzoyithola egovernment mortuary.
The honest feeling that you have.
Honestly, I'm angry. Now that I'm older, I want answers that manje, because he's gone, I won't get. Ngiyebaya kuye before shona and ask ukuthi what happened, because into yena ishilo ku statement sakhe emaphoyiseni uthe umama is suicide. How can umuntu azigwaza phinda sithele ngeparaffin asishise? And even though at some point ngiyandlulisa, but kunalana zinokufika khona kunamalanga whereby zafika lezi zinto lezi ngifuna ama-answers but angeke ngiwathole.
Kungaliwa abantu bayashana kunjani this sound bayaphila, but to a point where omunye umuntu abulala umuntu. Kanti what really happened to humanity? Is it human nature? Sisi, what was that one thing that you kept maybe repeatedly doing? Uguti, let me maybe numb the pain, let me try to forget about Lento. Time is the only healer of mankind, of course, but there must be a few things mhlambe bezenzeka around that time.
Before now that I'm healing, the coping mechanism yam was pleasing people. I used to want abanye abantu bajabule, and mina bengizohlala nginalento leyo ukuthi no, it's fine. Nanoma ngekho happy, be alone, ngihlale ngizivalele. I'm not someone ophumayo.
Kune case eshiwe ilenga lo muntu abamazi ungenile 3 days uyaphuma police station and there would always be word around, you know, abantu bayakhuluma. So how were they perceiving him, the community, to say we are living here with the perpetrator, we are living here with someone onobulwane.
So i-community yona every time abangibona kuba nalento leyo isono. Uyazi umama lo mntana ushone kabuhlungu. Yeah, mabangibona bahlale basho shame. Yeah. Kuhlale kuyi-shame. I used to be angry at men until I found one person who made me understand that not all men are like my father. Hayi bonke bayafana. And then lapho i-perception yami change. Ukushona kamamami, I was blamed by the extended family members because umuntu obulala umama was ubaba wami, not ubaba kabhuti. So you like bebazothi maba argue nogogo kuba nokulwa ngasitsheli nalo mzukulu wakho lona umntana wombulali. Abantu bazo-expecta ukuthi undlule kule situation le, like nothing happened. And they will always say, hayi mina ngikholwa ukuthi wena uyayikhumbula zonke lezi zinto lezi. Yeah. They like even lanoma ngisasemncane mangiwa estradeni, they would say ukuthi uyazenzisa, ufuna attention. Not knowing a story ukuthi kuyenzakaleni.
Scheme ngathi awumuzwa lo muntu lo lento inzima.